Here I've got Alcatel One X from 2019, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first you have to open your Play Store, then slide right to open more functions and go to My Apps and Games. And here you've got all applications that can be updated. Actually we have just one, and just click on Update tab right next to the application. Then wait until it's done. Here you can detect the progress. Meanwhile you can use your device in a normal way, so you can search the browser, grab photos, play some games, and meanwhile it will be updated. Just open the Play Store to check if it has been already done, but as you can see now it has been downloaded and now it's being installed, so wait a few more seconds. And nope, not yet, sorry, I thought it has been already done. We still have to patiently wait. Wakey Google, let's update a bit longer, a bit actually shorter, quicker. And that's it. As you can see, it has been updated. Now you can open and use the latest version. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.